Look! We made that. And this is how. Hey, here's the issue. I thought I'm smart and use a spray-on wrap. Now, the issue with the wrap is that you can peel it off. And these things don't really like open edges. So what I had to do is I had to cut alongside my perfectly masked tape to even remove it, and now with all the open edges, you could essentially, if you wipe your hand across, you could peel the paint right off. So it'll probably look good for a dozen pictures, and then it'll be terrible. Let me quickly run you through how stupid we really are. Now, this is likely the oldest car in the event, as of right now, and it's also one of the more impractical ones. And to top that all off, we are going to build a camping conversion so that we can, yes, sleep inside when it's minus 20. I think this is going to be a big deal. It's like king-sized Porsche bed extensions. Sicher? It's alive! It only sounds like hellfire, but it's alive! We're on our way to Frankfurt. And as you can clearly see, we are not moving. We are going shopping today. And I think we'll find a thing or two here. I seriously have no idea how this even happened, but apparently we're going to get equipped here.
So plüschig. Reifen noch gewöhnt und dann haut man nicht rein. Gut, du hast jetzt Pech, du hast eine etwas weniger bequeme Matte.
We're here for like 4 hours. We still haven't eaten a single thing today. And there's just so much stuff. The wheel is of a Citroen Berlingo because we couldn't find a fifth alloy Real from the 70s. But they fit, apparently. If you build something like this and you don't have the grille, you're just missing out. I think this is officially the world's first Porsche pop-top. It's not as easy as a VW pop-top, but it is a pop-top. It is finally, ultimately, now the time to pack. And I don't think any of this is gonna fit. Oh, and you didn't really think we would go without a kettle. No, 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 no. CaliKettle.com. It's now 12-ish at night, and as you can see, we're still working on it because we need to replace an exhaust hanger and we need to readjust the rear suspension because the thing droops like a baby in the back. Because, well, obviously now it's fully loaded and it goes down and it looks not to our taste. Next time you see this, because you really don't want to stick around, it'll be cool.